Guys, it's me. I skipped a video last week. I know. Sorry, but it was Christmas weekend. Had a lot to do. And now I'm off work until, let's see, I got 11 days off work for Christmas vacation. Yes, they pay us for that. But the reason I'm walking through this field, and yes, I'm wearing my helmet because I'm wanting to use this footage, but I hope you guys had a good Christmas. I had a good Christmas. It's pretty windy, so I'm hoping that I can handle this thing. I flew it for a little while yesterday. Trying to make sure I'm clear of power lines. But I got a drone. And it's got... Let me crack my visor. It's got a camera built into it. And I guess it only flies for like 6 to 10 minutes, I think. This is what it says. So it doesn't fly real long. But I'm hoping to be able to start using it. But it's really windy out here. I wasn't expecting that. Let's see if I can sync up the camera. Got the camera paired, or the remote paired. Let's see if I do that. Okay. I'm going to try and do this. Okay. No internet access, I know that. Why isn't it giving me the prompt? There we go, okay. Yes, I want to still connect. I'll back up, we're going to hit stream. Hey, I'm seeing out the camera. Now we're going to take off. Hey guys! Oh! Hi guys! It's fighting the wind right now. And I lost connection with it. We're going to land it. It's got a landing feature. Looks like it's going down. Hopefully not in those trees. Nope, she sat down in the grass over there. See if I can find a good spot to set it down and take off. We'll set it right there. Okay. And it has an auto takeoff and land feature. Okay. I don't know if it just... Okay. Remote's paired again. Ow! It hit me. Get up there. Get up there. Now where are we facing? Oh, okay. So let's turn towards me and go forward. And I lost track of it again.
3 weeks later.
Hey, I found it. Like I said, it's in some really tall grass. There you are. Man, it's windy. I wish it had a longer life, and I wish it could handle the wind, because apparently it does not like the wind at all. And the wind keeps blowing it in that direction. Got stuff stuck in my rotors. It came with 4 extra blades and screws for them. But it says it only gets like a 6 to 10 minute flight time, which, if I could keep it in the air, wouldn't be too horrible. But it's so windy. I mean, yesterday I had it up pretty far. But with this wind, it just keeps carrying it and carrying it. It won't. I try to take it up high enough to get some good views, but I really can't. So let's see if we can take off now. See how much the wind pushes it? Fighting the wind like crazy, just this height. There she goes again. I'm going to take her lower. And she's going down again.
2,000 years later.
There it is. You can see this grass blowing all over. I mean, it's pretty windy. We'll go ahead and get out of this taller grass and walk through the white. Ow! Wind caught the rotor and spun it into my hand. Yeah, the 6 minutes of flight time, it'd be nice if it was longer. I mean, I know there's better drones out there for that. And maybe, you know, this. You see, look, my hand's in there. I'm getting it out of there. The wind keeps catching these rotors. Yeah, see, it gets them spinning. Some kind of animal. Deer? Maybe? Get well soon. Again, I've never flown a drone before. And, this is my first one. So it's a good beginner drone. I mean, it seems to be pretty durable. I've hit a few things with it. I've crashed down into some trees, into some tires. Ow. But I mean, it was a Christmas present. It's what I wanted. I wanted a drone, and hopefully I can get the recordings off of the app so I can use them in videos. Because I like the features the app has. The app has features that will let me do 3D views. So it'll automatically split the screen for 3D. You can see the wind catching them rotors. It lets you do it right to your phone. But it seems like the range is extremely limited. If I get more than 100 feet or so away, it seems to lose connection. It does have an auto hover, auto takeoff, auto land. Let me get the remote. I can show you what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah, you've got your auto takeoff, auto land. This is your auto orientation. your auto direction trim. It's got a 3-speed. I keep it on low because even at low, it's too quick for me to figure out right now in control. I think I need to adjust the trim. I don't know if that will stay like that or if it changes. It has a stunt button, so it supposedly does a. I haven't tried it yet, but a 360-degree, barrel roll. And then you've got your auto controls, which I kind of like. I've been playing with these instead of worrying about these. I have been using the auto takeoff and the auto land. Those are nice because, like I said, I set it down and hit the button, it takes off. When I want to land it, like in situations like I had out there, it's getting too far away. I don't want it to end up in the trees and the wind's just carrying it. I can hit that auto land and it automatically starts to set itself down. But all in all, I like the little thing. Like I said, I hope I can get the footage off the app onto my computer so I can use it. Because, like I said, for little short videos here and there and learning how to control them until I, decide I'm confident enough that I can deal with a higher end drone that can stay in the air longer and have, like follow features. Because that'd be really cool, being able to get a drone to follow me through all that. Because this doesn't have that. But to be able to have one follow you through there, I think that'd be pretty cool. But really, I haven't had yesterday was the calmest day, and even then the wind was catching. I couldn't take it up too high. If I can pull that footage, I'll show you. I took it up, a decent bit when I had the camera working. But right now, I think the biggest flaw with it is that stupid app. That thing does not want to work. Not properly, anyways. And I'd like it to be able to handle wind better. Because if it's windy, I'm not going to be able to use it. And I'd like more than 6 minutes. It says it records audio, which I have yet to see. But, what can I say? I got it for Christmas. I picked it out. My grandparents do this every year. They want to go to a Black Friday sale on Thanksgiving after we eat and everything. So we go and they'll tell you, pick something out. So you pick something out and then they get it and they let you watch them get it, and then they tell you you don't get it till Christmas. And they mean it. I mean, I got it yesterday, which yesterday was Christmas. So, I want to thank them for it. Like I said, I love this little thing so far. I just wish I could. I got to learn more about it. I wish the app would work more. I wish I didn't have to worry about the wind so much. And I wish it would fly longer than just the 6 minutes, because if I could charge it in a matter of, just a couple minutes, or even 20 minutes, it wouldn't be such a big deal. But you fly it for that 6 minutes, 6 to 10 minutes or so, it takes over an hour for it to recharge just to be able to get that flight time again. So, but yeah, hopefully I can get that footage. If not, at least you'll get to see from my helmet cam and see me get hit with my own drone and my fingers stuck in the rotors. But yeah,